Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can archive your already completed tasks and work items inside your plain project management workspace. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so here in the plain project management tool, select your workspace in the top left. After that, navigate to your project on the left panel and click into work items, and here select your preferred layout view like list, board view, etc., calendar view. I will go with a board overview. And what you want to do next, guys, is simply move the given task or work item to the done or complete column first, because you can't archive any tasks or work items that haven't been completed yet. For example, guys, if I try to click into these three dots here and try to select archive, as you can see, that option will be grayed out, which means only completed or maybe even cancelled work items can be marked as archived. So let me go with that task here for demonstration purposes, and from in progress to done. And after that, click into these three dots, and now the archive button has been unlocked. Click into it, confirm the archiving here, and that's it. Your task has been successfully archived and now can be found in the archive folder, guys. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.